Welcome back, ladies and gents. It's the DMV Weave Doctor located in Bowie, Maryland, and we're going to be doing another lace wig installation. Okay, honey dolls and gents, so we have already cornrowed her down, put on a cap method, a ball cap method with adhesive, and oh girl, it's just going so fast. You have to cut and color this hair, biologic method with raw Indian hair. This hair can easily last about 2 years plus. And I made a mistake. I said LASIK. This is actually a install for those who are dealing with thinning edges. I have my T3 irons. Honey, these irons are amazing. If you are a stylist, you need to get you some of these. Child, if you're a regular person, you may not want to get it because you may mess around and burn yourself on the forehead, okay? These things get that hot. These things get that hot. All right, so we're just holding it, trying to get that formate, try to form that curl. And now we have completed all of her curls, and I love this hair because it's soft, it's flowy hair. This hair matches African American women who have a fine textured hair. Look like, child, you be looking like you got that good hair, okay? All right, honey. Girl, look what the Weave Doctor did today. Look what the Weave Doctor did today. The Weave Doctor didn't come to play, honey. Okay, book me, baby. Book me, baby. I can do it for you, okay? We got to do it for you. And look at all that volume. We did a razor cut. We gave her a lot of layers, baby, so she could be looking fantabulous. All right. And this, again, we use some adhesive. This is a HD raw Indian unit. Purchase on purevirginmane.com if you want bundles, or inbox us if you want a custom unit or a install. All right. Now, child, I'm just parading my client around because I know she looking good now. Hey, I know she's looking good now. Now, she did ask me to add additional tracks, so that's that little dark piece that you can see right there. She wanted to be extra full. So, honey, that's what that is. But see, and we also did a little bit round brush on this technique as well. All right, see you later.